channel. So today I'm going to be making fluffy cupcakes, and these are a really easy and simple recipe. So let's begin. So I have here some butter, so it's 240 grams. I'm going to add 240 grams of caster sugar. I'm going to now cream this together. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of baking powder, two eggs, and 240 grams of self-raising flour. I'm going to mix this together now. So the cake batter is now ready. So I'm going to now spoon in the cake mixture. So I'm going to fill them quite generously. So these are now ready to go in the oven on a gas mark 4 to 5 for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so these are now out of the oven. So our cupcakes are now ready. These have an amazing rustic look to them, and they're great for the winter. So don't forget to give our recipe a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and thanks guys for watching.